From public facilities. So I just want to find out on the city's side, doesn't now this escalate into some human rights violation when you say we can't provide services to foreign nationals because we have a constitution that everyone who lives in South Africa deserves everything that South Africa can provide?
I don't think the constitution says people must be undocumented in the country. It's a matter of interpretation. I don't like that clause in the constitution. That section, I just don't like it. And I feel, our leaders at the National Assembly must assist us. It's constitutional to amend the constitution. So that section, which says South Africa belongs to all who lives in it, must be scrapped out. It has to be amended. It must be explicit. It must say South Africa belongs to its citizens. Because initially it has to belong to its citizens. So I don't agree with it. Well, it is there in the constitution, but I feel we are misrepresenting it. It can't say it belongs to all who lives in it, including those that are undocumented in the country, because the laws and the legislations in the country, they do acknowledge undocumented foreign, and that's why it is a criminal offense. That's why within the criminal procedure, you are able to arrest and prosecute them, apprehend them, take them to court, arrest them, then process them, deport them back into their country. So if that clause then protects them, why are they being criminally charged for being in the country illegal? So that's why I'm saying that section is misrepresented, it's misinterpreted, and it is used by people who do not want to see this country progressing. Because we can't really progress when we have not dealt with undocumented foreign nationals in the country. They are accessing services which are very limited. They are consuming our resources which are very limited. They have taken over our local economy, which we should be using as a country to grow our economy, to assist in terms of eradicating this unemployment rate in the country, but also they have taken over unskilled jobs in the country. You go to the hospitality industry, they are at their majority, if not all the positions, they are taken by them. While you've got South Africans sitting at home with their matrics, no access to job opportunities, because you've got these foreign nationals that have taken over all the employment in the hospitality industry, the taxi, the truck drivers, the Uber drivers, e-hailing, they are everywhere. And yet you've got high unemployment rate in the country. Something that those positions, we should be utilizing them to address the unemployment in the country, especially the unskilled laborers. We should be sourcing them from South Africans. But what companies do, they employ these ones because they pay them cheap, and that's why they prefer them over South Africans, because our laws, they protect employees against exploitation and abuse by the employers. Now, because ours, they've got rights, now they go for these foreign nationals because they do not have rights. And yet we are saying, no, they are protected by constitution. Where?